Randy, computer repair, gonna up and get her done. Start. What's up, nuts? It's Radical Randy, your favorite neighborhood gaming enthusiast. I'm here to splooge some gaming knowledge upon you. Yeah. Okay, today we got my 102070 Ti, the best one out there. It's the best computer you ever could get. Let's crack this puppy open and show her what for, yeah. We're gonna her hard and show her what for, yeah. Woo! Now how do you get this damn thing open? Huh? There we go. Crack that puppy open, oh yeah. Ain't she a beauty? Oh, fuck. Gets me hard looking at her. Let's get some... Let's get some junk out there. You don't need that. No. All right. So over here we got our fucking hard drive. We got the hard drive right here. It's a good one. Man, it can hold a lot of hard shit. Almost as hard as me. Oh yeah. Now just shove her on in there. Yeah. Good. That's great. All right. So the first step of fixing this computer out is you're gonna take your RAM, right? You're gonna take your RAM. And you're gonna ram it on in there.
Oh yeah.
Just like I used to ram my wife. Stupid bitch. She left me to all the kids. Why'd she have to leave me? Radical Randy. Next you're gonna wanna juice her up with old Sparky, just like you're interrogating a tourist. Something there. Right there. Nice. All right. Oh, simmer down there. And what gaming computer is complete without a little RGB? You know what RGB stands for? And beautiful. What can I say about this computer that hasn't already been said about Iraq? Now for the special ingredient. You're gonna wanna boost your horsepower with a little pony. Shake her off a little, and in she goes. And don't forget your thermal paste so she don't overheat. Nice. Okay, good. We're doing good so far, boys. Oh, that gas made me a little woozy. Oh, I'm feeling a little sick. Oh, no. Oh, don't worry. It's semiconductor. Oh, fuck. I need to take a piss. I'm a fire in my... Now we're good to go. Make sure you use code RADICAL for 2.5% off your next order of Gamer Lard. Game on, yarr!